Apple unveils an all-new lock screen experience and new ways to share and communicate in iOS 16. Users can personalize their lock screen, keep family photos in iCloud shared photo library, recall sent messages, schedule mail, and discover more with live text and visual lookup. Apple today previewed iOS 16, delivering the biggest update ever to the lock screen, and new sharing, communication, and intelligence features that together change the way users experience iPhone. iOS 16 introduces iCloud shared photo library to seamlessly share a collection of photos with family, updates to messages and mail that help users stay in touch with ease, and powerful enhancements to live text and visual lookup. iOS 16 is a big release with updates that will change the way you experience iPhone, said Craig Federighi, Apple's Senior Vice President of Software Engineering. We have reimagined how the lock screen looks and works with exciting new features that make it more personal and helpful. Introduced iCloud shared photo library for families, streamlined communication through new capabilities in messages and mail, and harnessed enhanced intelligence with updates to live text and visual lookup. A personalized lock screen experience. The lock screen gets more personal, beautiful, and helpful with iOS 16. With a new multi-layered effect, the subjects of photos are artfully set in front of the time on the lock screen, creating a sense of depth. Users can also change the look of the date and time with expressive type styles and color choices. The lock screen features widgets that take inspiration from Apple Watch complications, making it easy to get information at a glance, such as upcoming calendar events, the weather, battery levels, alarms, time zones, activity ring progress, and more. A personalized lock screen in iOS 16 shows a dog and several widgets. A personalized lock screen in iOS 16 shows a close-up of a woman and a young girl. A personalized lock screen in iOS 16 shows a mountain peak. A new lock screen gallery features a range of options for inspiration, such as Apple Collections, which include Pride and Unity to celebrate special cultural moments, a weather wallpaper to see live weather conditions as they change throughout the day, and an astronomy wallpaper for views of the Earth, Moon, and Solar System. Users can also create lock screens using their favorite emoji or color combinations. With multiple lock screens, users can switch between their favorites with just a swipe. Live Activities is a new feature that helps users stay on top of things that are happening in real time, such as a sports game, workout, ride share, or food delivery order, right from the lock screen. Notifications have been redesigned to roll up from the bottom, ensuring that users have a clear view of their personalized lock screen. Find balance with Focus. Focus is more powerful, easier to set up, and now connects to the lock screen, offering users a way to tie a lock screen wallpaper and widgets to a particular focus. To activate a focus, users can simply swipe to the corresponding lock screen. With focus filters, apps like Calendar, Mail, Messages, and Safari can display only the content that is relevant to